Hi, my name is Dwayne Squires.
My name is Richard Muse.
And we're partners at Property Result Investments. So in this video, we're going to give you 5 options on how you purchase a below market value deal. So some of them you already hear about and will be commonplace, but there's a few golden nuggets in there that you definitely want to watch and listen to, which is really at the back of the video as well. Yeah, so we'll start off with the first option, and the first option to you is quite simply cash. So one of the benefits of using the cash is to give that certainty and speed. So you avoid having to go through getting a mortgage and to go through the whole process. And in some circumstances, some below market value deals will need you to purchase in cash because they need to complete in 7 days or 14 days, and you can't wait for the mortgage approval. And there's different ways around the legals as to make sure you can complete in that time frame. But cash is king when you get those deals. And when you get those deals, the margins and the discount is fantastic. It can be as good as 20 to 40% discount as long as you've got cash. And on top of that, the reason why you need to use cash is some properties in County Durham, for example, the properties will be less than 40,000. Some might be 10,000 or 15 to 25,000. In those circumstances, cash would only be the option available to you to purchase that property. We'll then go into the second option available to you is mortgage. So we all probably know what a mortgage is, but the key option here is to find a good mortgage broker to make sure the mortgage broker can find you a deal that suits your circumstances around your finances, as well as the deposit that you have available, as well as the length of time that you're looking to hold that property. It could be that you're only trying to hold that for 6 months, so you need a mortgage product that will make sure it doesn't give you penalties for selling that property sooner. Or it could be a property that you're looking to hold for 30 years, and you want to make sure you get a solid mortgage product that fits that type of strategy. So we'll move on to the next options.
Yes, sometimes with the cash deal, you can get low rate finance. Not low rate finance, but you can get finance on the lower value properties. The interest rates are obviously higher, and the loan to value is about 65%. But if you've got 30,000 to invest, instead of buying one property, a low value property, you can buy 2. So we've got that option. And the fourth option is if you might be buying a property to sell, then or what we call flipping, we would recommend bridging finance. So you might have, just to give you a little, I'm going to give you a quick example of that, is that we had a property that one of our investors bought a couple of months ago, and what it was is it needed a refurbishment, and then it was really well below value, and he was going to resell it, and he financed it through bridging, and he had obviously some of his own cash. It was a small refurb, and he resold it on, and that was an excellent way of financing that type of property. The fifth one is through option contracts, lease options. You maybe want to consider this because this gives you an option to buy a property at a fixed price anytime within a period. It can be we usually have them between 5 and 10 years. It's a low cost entry into investing in property, and give you immediate cash flow, and that's where a lot of people are starting off their investment journey.
Brilliant. So to recap, in terms of how you can go about purchasing below market value, so buy with cash, mortgage, a low value finance product, bridging, as well as options. Now the key thing to think about is what does it need for the particular property you're purchasing, the time that's needed, and just thinking about what is your long-term, medium, as well as short-term plans around property investing too. Thank you for watching that video. If you're thinking of investing in property, have you considered investing in North East? If you have or you haven't, why not check out the full video playlist we created, which gives you the full deep dive in investing in property in the North East. Check it out.